Yeah, so I'm here at Money 2020 with LSEG Risk Intelligence, a very laser focus in raising awareness around the issue of child identity theft, which is so underreported in this industry. And I am advocating for it because I've been through that. So my name was used when I was only 6 years old to open companies. Those companies were real companies that were transacting, getting loans. And then when the companies fell, the person behind all of this left the country. And so the person responsible for it was the owner behind those companies, which was 6-year-old Renata. Obviously, it wasn't my fault, but there was a lot of money that needed to be paid in taxes and also in loans. And so it all came crashing down on me. And my story, unfortunately, it's not extraordinary. In fact, it's very ordinary. And that's what LSEG Risk Intelligence is trying to show in this white paper that we are releasing around this issue. Because 1.25 million children in the United States alone have their identity stolen within a year period. That's 1 in 50. So my story, it's just 1 in 50. And I'm using my voice to raise awareness around that because the impact is in the billions. It's billions of losses every year for the victims, but also for the financial system, which includes the trade financing system, payments. As you can imagine, like a child owning a company, who will be ultimately responsible for the crimes and the money that is lost within those transactions using that child identity. It certainly cannot be the victim, but then it impacts the system, the financial systems, the company behind it. So it's so essential that, one, we have awareness around the issue. Child are prime victims because they have a clean credit history and they can take decades for them and their parents to realize that their money was, their identity was used, because it only comes across usually when they turn 18. So it's so important that we have awareness of this issue and put the right safeguard in place so this doesn't happen, including age verification, identity verification, and just make sure that children's identity are not used to conduct transactions in the financial system.